Two Arizona police officers charged with crimes. Three others resigned to avoid being fired. And Tucson's police chief offers to step down after failing to properly report and investigate a death. Protesters have been demanding less violence from police and more accountability. So is that what we're seeing now? Here's ABC 15 investigator Melissa Blasius.
The Tucson police chief's offer, so stunning because it's so rare. The chief admitting that his department bungled the job, failing to be transparent about the death of Carlos Ingram Lopez in their custody, and being slow to properly review what happened.
You know, all of this really is just impacting some of our most vulnerable communities, people of color, women, young people, queer people. That's who's experiencing this violence the most.
Vidy Hernandez with Poder in Action has pushed for police reform in Arizona. She watched this week as 3 Tucson officers involved in that in-custody death resigned, as Mesa officer Nathan Chisler was charged with aggravated assault for shooting an unarmed man, and Phoenix police officer Sean Pena was criminally charged with raping one woman and sexually assaulting another while on duty.
So we think that this, for us, this is a political ploy to try to seem that they're responding to this moment. Whatever the reason might be, right? In order for these things to actually change, this can't be a one-time thing.
We reached out to Maricopa County Attorney Alistair Adele, Mesa's police chief Ken Cost, and police unions in both Phoenix and Mesa, asking them to speak on camera about the criminal cases against the officers and overall accountability. They either declined or did not respond at all today. Phoenix police spokesman Tommy Thompson did agree to appear on camera. We asked, why would Phoenix police return Officer Pena to work alone on the streets after the first sexual assault allegation in 2018?
We can't just work on, well, if there's suspicion. We have to go on the facts that we have.
And when you put a badge on someone, you give them a gun, you have to be pretty darn sure that they're not going to cause harm in the community.
Right. And again, through the course of the first investigation, and again, we investigated that. And I think you read the court documents, correct? So you understand that there was not probable cause that occurred at that time.
After the second sexual assault allegation in 2019, Pena was put on paid administrative leave. Sergeant Thompson said it could be a few weeks until a final decision comes on Pena's termination.
I think if the chief were right here, she would tell you the vast majority of the men and women who are Phoenix police officers do a phenomenal job, take it very seriously, and are very professional. There are a handful that, as we've seen, when she finds out that they act inappropriately, there's misconduct, she moves to terminate them and or discipline them as the situation calls for as soon as practical.
I'm investigator Melissa Blasius, ABC 15 Arizona.